Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about promoting browser extension CPA offers. I watched a couple of other videos by other people who are so-called teaching people how to promote these, but they're leaving out some really important information, and I want to include that. Okay, so now you can promote these a lot of different ways, whether it's through email, through just putting up a one-page website and then having the link, or social media, or whatever. Each offer will tell you what is allowed and what isn't allowed. Okay, so I'm out on a site called Offer Vault. This is basically a CPA offer portal that has thousands of CPA offers that are active on the various CPA networks. Okay, so here's an example. Here's an offer name, your payout. So meaning if somebody went through the proper action, which would be downloading and installing this browser extension, you would get $1.40. It's a lead type, so it's either going to be sale or lead. The category is browser extension, and this is the network. And then this is when it was last updated. Okay, so there's a couple of things that that I've learned to do over the years when it comes to CPA marketing, or basically any type of affiliate marketing, is you either want to test the product out firsthand yourself, or at the very minimum, you want to go through research steps and make sure that whatever you're promoting is legitimate and safe. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of examples. One that somebody else was promoting, and it may not be the same exact offer, but it's something in the same category as far as what it's about, the type of browser extension it is. So some things that you really need to be careful with is when you're an affiliate marketer or CPA affiliate marketer, you want to build trust. You want people to trust you so they'll come back. Okay? Because if you promote something that's bad, or maybe causes problems for them, they're not going to come back to you. Okay? And they'll probably let people know, hey, stay away from this person. Stay away from this product. Okay? So word of mouth travels, and it could be good or bad. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. One in particular was, I believe it was Easy Lotto, my Easy Lotto browser extension. Okay, so basically I just copied and pasted it. I went out to Google, copied it and pasted it in Google, and this is what came back. How to remove my Easy Lotto toolbar malware tips. How to get rid of my Easy Lotto toolbar virus removal. Okay, so one thing that you need to understand, that with these types of CPA offers that are being promoted through CPA networks, they're usually involved in a software bundle, meaning that Easy Lotto browser extension, or my Easy Lotto browser extension, will be installed, but there will also be, maybe 2 or 3 or more, maybe more other software installed as well. Okay, and that's where the issues could come into play. That software that's included in this install, they might have issues. They might have malware. They might have viruses. There's some kind of malicious code that's, when it's installed, it starts causing problems with the device of the user that installed it. Okay, so, and this is the information that that the other person that was talking about doing these types of CPA offers, he didn't mention this in any of his videos, and I watched a couple of them. And that's where I think he's really failing his visitors, by not getting into these details. Okay, so what's the workaround? Okay, if you're going to promote this, and if I were going to promote this, I would put up a one-page website, But I would also include, at the very minimum, install instructions, installation or download instructions, and I would take them step by step. Before installing, choose the custom install. The custom install will allow the user to look at everything that's going to be installed and say, yes, I want this, or no, I don't want that. And then I would say, unclick boxes for all other software except My Easy Lotto. Okay? And go through those steps. Or you can have a disclaimer that this isn't a software bundle, there's no guarantee, or whatever. But just be transparent. Okay? Don't just promote it and then think that you're going to make lots of money, because once people find out that there's problems, you're not going to make as much money as what you think. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so that's just one example. Another example is Easy Maps browser extension. This one also had some issues. I don't know if that's Easy Maps Access or if it's just Easy Maps. Let's see if there's any more. Okay, so let's try to find another one as an example. All right, PDF converter or shopping. Let's do PDF converter. Oops. Just copy in. And let's do paste. And let's see if anything comes back. And let's see what that actually is, if there's a different name. So if you don't find anything, awesome. That's great. You're only going to make 8 cents, so I highly doubt anybody would really. Let's do another one. Let's do Television Fanatic. Okay, so here's some more where there's issues with Television Fanatic. Okay, so again, that's where you would want to have, either test it yourself or at the very least explain how to do a custom install. That way they don't get all this other crap. And even one Adobe Flash was another one that, even though it's legitimate, it also has a software bundle to it. Okay, I don't see it. Let's see what the Bible. See if this one has any issues. Remove my get. Okay, restore your browser. Okay, so my daily. Okay, that's my daily browser. All right, I don't want to learn the lyrics. Okay, so virus removal, hijacker. Okay, so there's issues with this one as well. Okay, and it's more than likely the software that's included in the software bundle. So let's see. Let's look at the landing page. Continue, add Chrome. Okay, so this is the landing page. I really don't want to click. I'm not going to click it. These are the countries that are involved in it. So this isn't even a US. That's the other thing you want to look at when you're running these. You want to make sure that whatever countries you're going to be promoting it to are included. Okay, so that's really important to know as well. And you can do, yeah, so you can go up to countries and you can pick which countries. So I'm just going to see if there's anything for the US. Okay, so it's bringing back. Okay, so let's see my Easy Lotto, which is one that I just looked at. Okay, so that's for the US. Let's go out to the landing page.
Click the button to download and get started.
Okay. Get out of that tab. Okay, so we want to remember to do that as well. Make sure that it's in the countries that you're going to be promoting. So there's still quite a bit, even if it's just the US. Here's the Adobe Flash Player I was talking about. And even the Flash Player, it has a software bundle too. So whenever I go out and update it, I always do the custom install to make sure that I'm not getting ask.com or anything else. And sometimes they're just nuisance software. There's really nothing, malicious about them. They're just nuisance. Okay? So that's one thing that you could do. Just make sure you do your research and be transparent. Explain how to, install, do custom install. And that way they can avoid any potential issues with the software bundle that it's included with. So thanks for watching. Good luck and take care.